Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best yoga wheels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Finook Yoga Wheel for stretching and flexibility. This 2-wheel set offers a mix of versatility and value, featuring a 13-inch large wheel for gentle stretching and a smaller 4-inch wheel for targeted deep tissue massage. Made from eco-friendly TPE foam, it has a thick, cushioned surface that provides optimal comfort while being resistant to water and sweat, ensuring durability for long-term use. In terms of design, the Finook wheel offers extra-wide padding, which enhances stability during yoga poses and stretches. The rigid ABS core can support up to 500 pounds, making it a reliable choice for users of all fitness levels. Whether you're easing back pain or working on more advanced back bends, this wheel is built to handle it. However, its 2-wheel set may feel limited if you're looking for a broader range of pressure levels. While this product delivers good performance at a reasonable price, the lack of additional accessories, like a strap or guidebook, means it's best suited for experienced yogis who already know how to use a yoga wheel effectively. Overall, it's a solid option for those seeking reliable support and comfort, but it may fall short for beginners looking for more guidance. At number 4, we have the Finook Yoga Wheel Set of 3+1. This set is perfect for those who want a comprehensive solution, as it includes 4 wheels of varying sizes to target different areas of the body. The largest 13-inch wheel is ideal for deep posture and back bends, while the smallest 6-inch wheel provides intense, focused pressure for areas like the neck and legs. The set also includes a medium-sized wheel and an additional focus roller, giving you unparalleled versatility. The thick padding on each wheel ensures comfort and support, even during challenging stretches. Made from high-density TPE foam and a sturdy ABS core, these wheels can support up to 500 pounds. The anti-slip surface resists water and sweat, making it easy to maintain even during sweaty sessions. The wide padding design improves balance, which is especially helpful for beginners learning new poses. This set is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their yoga practice, recover from injuries, or improve their flexibility. However, at nearly $35, it's slightly pricier than standalone wheels, which might not appeal to those on a tight budget. Still, if you're serious about yoga or physical therapy, this set gives you everything you need to take your practice to the next level. Taking the 3rd spot is the Azora Yoga Wheel, a single 13-inch wheel that combines durability, style, and functionality. What sets this product apart is the included step-by-step guidebook, which features over 30 poses to help users of all levels get the most out of their yoga practice. This is a fantastic resource, particularly for beginners who might be unsure of how to incorporate a yoga wheel into their routine. The Azora wheel is built to last, with a 500-pound braking strength and a durable ABS core. The extra-thick TPE foam padding provides excellent cushioning, and the textured surface adds an extra layer of comfort and grip. The wheel's dimensions make it versatile, allowing users to stretch their backs, open their shoulders, or improve their balance. The sleek black and aqua color scheme also gives it an aesthetic edge. However, at nearly $38, it's one of the more expensive single-wheel options. While the guidebook adds value, the lack of additional accessories might deter some buyers. This wheel is best suited for those who value high-quality materials and a structured learning experience to improve their practice. In the runner-up position, we have the Gymcope Back Roller Wheel Set of 4 with 2 yoga blocks. This premium set is designed for those who want a complete toolkit for stretching, pain relief, and physical therapy. The 4 wheels come in varying sizes, allowing you to target specific areas of the body with either deep tissue or gentler massage. The inclusion of 2 high-density EVA yoga blocks adds even more versatility to your practice. The ergonomic design of the wheels ensures natural spine alignment, making them especially effective for releasing back tension and improving posture. The ABS core supports up to 530 pounds, while the high-elastic EVA foam exterior resists aging and retains its shape after repeated use. The smaller wheels stack inside the larger ones for easy storage and portability, making this set both practical and efficient. While the $53.99 price tag makes this the most expensive option on our list, the value is undeniable. You're not just getting wheels, you're getting a comprehensive stretching and recovery system. Ideal for advanced practitioners or those recovering from injuries, this set is a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their wellness journey. And finally, taking the top spot is the URBN Fit Yoga Wheel, the best combination of affordability, quality, and performance. At just $16.99, this budget-friendly option is accessible to almost everyone, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned yogis alike. Despite its price, the URBN Fit Wheel delivers impressive durability thanks to its sturdy foam construction and ABS core. The 12-inch diameter makes it versatile for a variety of uses, from relieving back tension to improving flexibility and range of motion. The soft foam padding ensures a comfortable experience, even during extended sessions. As a bonus, this product includes a yoga strap to assist with deeper stretches, adding even more value to an already affordable product. While it doesn't offer the multiple sizes or extra accessories of higher-end options, the URBN Fit Yoga Wheel is a great all-around choice for anyone looking to improve their flexibility, recover from back pain, or add a new tool to their fitness routine. It's proof that you don't have to break the bank to get a high-quality product. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.